Today we're going to be making gluten-free lemon cupcakes. We're going to start with flour, so I'm going to measure 1.5 cups. 1. Okay, so this is a 1/2 teaspoon lace, so we need 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is how I measure my salt. And we need 1/2 teaspoon. Yep, sea salt. And this original recipe called for 1 cup of sugar, but I like to use a little bit less in my baking, especially because I like to feed all of my baking to my toddlers. So we're gonna go ahead and measure about 3/4 of a cup. While that's being whisked, let's get our wet ingredients going in another bowl. Okay, so we're looking for the zest of 1 whole lemon. Okay, we've got our zest. We are aiming for 1/4 cup of lemon juice, or 4 tablespoons. Look at that. We're gonna say close enough. 3/4 cup of whole milk. Okay, now we'll go ahead and measure our 1/3 cup avocado oil. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Want to whisk that together?
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and get our eggs in there. We'll add the wet into the dry. We're not going to over mix it. We don't want our cupcakes to end up dense and flat. We want them fluffy. Preheat our oven to 350. I'm going to do a few little mini muffins too. So I'm going to get this one ready as well. Always nice to have little helpers. We're going to fill the muffin tins about 2/3 full. I'm gonna go ahead and say that's good enough. And we're gonna get them in the oven. Flip these guys around. Put them back in for the last 4 minutes. So now we're going to move on to making the icing. So what I'm going to do is split the recipe in half. I'm going to make 1/2 vanilla and then the other 1/2 lemon. For half this recipe, I'm going to use 1/8 of a cup of butter, which is 28 grams. So I'm going to use 1/2 the cream cheese, just 4 ounces, so 1/2 the package. Okay, we're going to get 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla in here. And we'll start mixing. So we can see it's getting fluffy now. Okay, we'll get our sugar measured. We're going to do 3/4 of a cup, 1/4 cups at a time. I just scooped it out. I'm going to use the same bowl because why make more dishes? So we're going to need another 28 grams of butter and the other 1/2 of the cream cheese, another 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, we want 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and we want 1/2 a teaspoon of lemon zest. Let's start adding our sugar, 1/4 cup at a time. And there we go. While waiting for that icing to cool off, let's try one of these little mini cupcakes. It's good. It's fluffy, it's super lemony. You can't even tell it's gluten-free. 100% recommend this recipe. I'm actually gonna pop these in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes to let them stiffen up, and then we'll ice the cupcakes. I almost forgot. I wanted to add this food coloring in because this will differentiate the lemon from the vanilla. So I just got this new type of food coloring I've been wanting to try for a while, like a natural food coloring. It's colored with turmeric instead of like the tartrazine yellow. So let's see what 4 drops does. Okay, it's a lot more like syrupy. That's like a really soft yellow color. Let me just do 2 more. This is a trick I've learned, and it's so much easier to hold. This is why I love those silicone muffin pans. They just pop right out.